Hi everyone, it's Romy, your self-development and financial growth classmate. Now you already have a Skype account. Now what's next? In this video, you're going to talk about creating your email signature. What is an email signature? An email signature is also called as email footer. It is a set of information that is automatically placed at the end of your email message. It contains relevant information such as your name, job title, company, email address, contact number, social media links, and other important details. It is important to have an email signature as it is a part of your branding and marketing strategy. Can you imagine? Every time you send an email is like marketing yourself through the use of your email signature. It is maximizing the marketing opportunity given to you. Now let us go through the step-by-step process in creating your email signature. So to create our email signature, let us first open our browsers and then type in email signature generator free. Now you can see that there are so many free email signature generators out there. You can use mailsignatures.com, hubspot.com, and mysignature.io.com. So I'm going to use mysignature.io.com. You can click here or type www.mysignature.io. So now you are already here in mysignature.io homepage. What you need to do is click Create Signature. After that, on this drop-down menu, choose Free. You can actually choose something that is for free here. However, most of the items or templates shown are for professional subscription. So let us click here, Start from Scratch. So now on this side, you can see a beautiful email signature template. To edit this one, you have to play on these tabs. So let us first play with the General tab. On your name section, on the name section write your full name, your company if you have one. If you don't have one, then you don't have to put anything there. Your position, if you've already chosen a specific niche such as social media management or article writing, then you can use the position of social media manager or article writer on your email signature. However, for me, I'm going to use the general virtual assistant job title in order for me to apply to different kinds of niche whenever I want to. But that's up to you. It is all your choice. So for department, I'm not going to put anything there because I don't have a department. For phone, I'm not going to put anything, but I'm going to put something on the mobile box. For the website, if you already have a website, then you can put your website URL there. If you don't have a website yet, then do not worry because we are going to create your own website at the end of this course or at the later part of this course. So for now, I'm going to put theskillmates.com. For my email, I'm going to use theskillmatesph@gmail.com. Remember that if you have a personal and professional email address, please use your professional email address on this one, your freelancing email account. So for address, you don't have to be so specific. On this one, you can just easily put Madrid, Spain or your city. And for your Skype account, you can put your Skype ID here. And let's say our Skype ID is live 1234567. And that's it. Now you're already done playing under the general tabs. Now let us go to images. So images, you're going to upload your professional photo. Here, let's say I'm going to use this one. And you can actually adjust the size or you can also crop your chosen profile photo. This one. Now let's play under the social tab. So social tab lets you link your social media accounts on your email signature. It is very important to link your social media accounts for freelancing so that your clients or potential clients can easily find you on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram. So let's say for Facebook account, I'm gonna use facebook.com Carillo Romy. And then for Twitter, this one. The good thing about mysignature.io is that there are so many social media accounts that you can link. For example, I want to add my Instagram, instagram.com, I am Roms. You can also add your Tumblr. You can also add your Skype account here again, though I'm not going to add that one. Or your Snapchat. Snapchat is not commonly used for freelancing. And other kinds of things, such as House. I have never heard about this one. So I'm not going to use that one. I'm only going to stick with Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So now let's see on our add-ons. So sign off is usually the greetings for you to sign off. So you have here the usual ones such as happy holidays, best regards, sincerely, regards, best, kind regards, thanks, best wishes. Or you can choose whatever you want, such as yours truly. You can also choose a handwritten one. Click here to start drawing. I'm so bad because I'm not using any mic. I mean mouse. And click add. So as you can see, here is my handwriting, but I'm not going to use that because that looks so unprofessional. I'm going to use text, and I'm not going to use yours truly. I like best regards. That's it. The good thing about here is that you can play with the font size. You can play with the font style as well, and also with the font color. So choose the font color that actually reflects your brand. So for me, I usually use the navy blue because, oops, well, I'm gonna choose later on. But yeah, let's say like that. So yeah, let's say like that because it's the Skillmates. And then you can also add some social. You can add your Facebook.com, Romy. However, I'm not gonna add anything under social because I've already added my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram on the right side of my email signature. So I'm not gonna add anything under social. And green message is just a reminder for you to save nature by not printing this email. I'm not gonna use that one. And for video conference, such as for example, if you want to meet your client on Skype, Google Hangouts, or Google Meet, or GoToMeeting, you can use this one. So I usually use Google Meet or Skype, but I've already indicated my Skype account, so I'm gonna use Google Meet. And then you can change what's written on the button text, such as you can say, see you on Google Meet. Under button URL, you can insert the website URL or the URL of your Google Meet. For now, I'm not going to insert anything there, or I'm not going to use anything. And now you can go to design and play with the complete design of your email signature. So I'm going to use Tahoma, the font style, I'm going to use this one maybe. Font color, I'm going to use, ooh, I love this color though, I cannot use that. Yeah, I suggest you use the same color for all your branding. So use the same color code. Here you have all the different layouts that you can use. So you can see which ones are pro and which ones are for free. So for me, I prefer to use this one, the number 4. And then icon background, I'm gonna choose it like this one, just so there's a uniformity. But I'd rather choose the same color coding, but yeah, that's it. Icon color, that's it. And now, what you need to do is click Save Signature, and you can sign up with your Google. So for me, I'm gonna use, let's say, the skillmates.ph@gmail.com. And then now, you're presented this option to stay free or to pay to be a pro, though I'm going to stay free. So now you already have your signature. What you need to do is click on this button, preview and install. So now, all you need to do is to copy. Be sure you're clicking copy, not copy image. go to your Gmail account. And once you're already inside your Gmail account, click on the settings button, click on see all settings, and search for signature space. Here is your signature. I'm gonna delete this one as if I don't have a email signature yet. So now I'm gonna create a new signature and I'm gonna call it virtual assistant. And on this space, I'm gonna paste what I've copied. And now, for new emails to use virtual assistant, I'm gonna use that email signature. And on reply, I'm also gonna use that email signature. Insert signature before quoted text in replies. Yes, I'm gonna use that one. And then now I'm gonna click on save changes. So now let us try if we've successfully saved our email signature. Let's compose a message. And now as you can see, I now have my email signature here. Let's try to send something for myself. Email signature test. Hello. And here it is. And there you go. We've successfully created and saved our email signature. Now you're good to go. Congratulations on having your first professional email signature.